Hi and welcome to the walk round video of our Triumph Herald project car. I'm just going to walk you around the car and try and show you bits and pieces that want finishing off on the car and exactly where the car is and its state of condition. So from the front, we fitted new side indicator light units. The bulbs are in. It actually wants finishing off on the headlamps to the desired spec. Can either go H4s or seal beams. The trims that go around the bonnet, it wants the corner sections. We've actually got the corner sections, but they're not as good as a car deserves. This piece wants putting on, and again this corner section. Paint finish on this car is really nice. It's not had its final rub down yet and polish, but it really does shine. Beautiful colour. The seats have been refurbished, so they're ready to go in. The guys actually retained the old covers, which are really good actually, and actually leave a nice patina on the car. Sometimes you make these cars look too new. The windscreen's in, and we've got the chrome strip that goes in here, but that hasn't been put in yet. Wipers are in, and I've put in a new wiper motor. I've tested it, so that is a known working item, but it's not actually wired up from the car. I've got two of these original washer jets. The other one's going to be going in pretty shortly. It really is coming on well, this car. It's a beauty. Quarter lights are in, but they're not actually all fixed in. All the quarter lights and the glass are in. And then basically what it wants is just the felts put in and the doors just finished off with new cards and trim, which, as we said, is quite readily available from Newton Commercial. The rear quarter panels we have actually got, but again, if you're going to replace these ones, you might as well replace these, so it all matches up nicely. Rear seat's a bit dirty at the moment, but it's really nice condition. The underside, where all the springs go horrible, it's all been done. It's beautiful. We managed to get hold of a new old stock handle, and we put the old knob onto it. Now, I've been trying to source one from the other side, but Rimmers don't have them in stock. They actually run out. So it'll be a question of either reconditioning one with re-chrome or finding a new old stock one, which I don't think you'll find now. It's got a nice hood tonneau cover to go with it, and the hood frame has all been done. So it's literally ready to accept. It's all been painted nicely. It's literally a bit dirty at the moment. It's literally ready to accept a new canvas. So you can see it's all got new rubbers on it. And the guy's gone to a lot of trouble on this car. These rubbers aren't cheap. All the new alley sections. Being a 68 car, it's got the badge on the back. We're missing one from the other side, but you can get those quite easily. It's had new hinges, all new chrome hinges. We managed to find a new old stock set of rear overriders, and they're on. They're rocking horse, they are. You just won't find them. But a guy phoned me up and said he had them, so I bought them. Rear's coming together quite well now. The only thing it needs is the strips put on, the rubber strips. Again, some people might want to put the test ones on there, the chrome ones. But I've got a whole new set of white rubbers, and also the guy has actually gone to the trouble of having the strips that the rubbers sit on all cap plated. And so it's amazing what he's done, really. So they're all cap plated, ready to go on. Okay, into the boot. And you can see that the petrol tank is lovely. It's all been painted nicely. Now, everything's been done with a sense of purpose, and the floor is intact. You know, there's no nasty welds on it. In the corners where they go down here, it's just all nice. It's all been done. Along the back there, where they always go, you know, it's perfect. In the wheel well, it's all good. You'll see that the filter housing has been painted, and it's got new hubcaps ready to go on. Sound deadening in the top there. And the car's actually on a J plate because it spent a couple of years overseas before it came into the UK. I'm not sure if it was Ireland or Jersey. It was one of those two, I think. And again, the seat runners are ready to accept the seats. The underside parts have been cab plated all nicely. Dashboard's beautiful. Ready to go. And you'll see, yeah, everything's been done. All new pipes. Top of the dash is lovely. No splits, it's all new. The front overriders will want re-chroming. We've got the front overriders. In fact, we've pretty much got everything for the car, but some of it is just not good enough to go back on for the car at this quality. The guy's done so much to it to get it to this point. It would be sacrilegious to start throwing old bits on it. If you just bear with me, I'm just going to try and lift the bonnet up a bit one-handedly. There we go. And underside of the bonnet, again, it's beautiful. You can see that everything has been renewed, it's been cab plated. This bracket here is cab plated. All the cylinders are all new. New pipes, new rubbers, paint's lovely. Heater's all been painted. All the suspension's been done. It just wants a bit of a clean up. The guy, when he sprayed it, didn't mask it up, I don't think, and it's got a bit of overspray on it. But it was all painted black, it's beautiful. All the side panels for the engine are all painted nicely. Braided hoses all round, spack shockers all round. It's just all been done, the whole thing. Stainless exhaust right the way through. Body coloured chassis. It's got all new pipes. And I've just literally started the engine up again this morning, and I'll start it for you now so that you can hear it. Hopefully she'll go. Nice responsive engine. Bonnet chattering a bit. Again, you'll see all the solenoid brackets being done. takes over nicely once it's warm. The noise that you're hearing is the bonnet. I'll just check on the front balance. Switch her off. Inside of the bonnet's painted nicely as well. Makes a difference. Say this car's got massive potential to be a real top car actually. New relays. So there it is. I hope it gives you a bit more insight into the car. You'd be hard pushed to find one as good as this. It's just got no rust in it. It's just been all cut out and done. So there you go. If you need more information, please call me on 07876 616 886. And thanks for taking the time to view.